Hello and welcome back to TechWeb YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to fix this error code van1067 in Valorant. If you have upgraded your PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you might face this error because you need to check whether your computer is compatible with Windows 11 and if secure boot and TPM 2.0 is enabled on your PC or not. So let's get to fix this problem. And first of all, what you need to do is you need to type Windows button, simultaneously press R and type services.msc and then click OK. And once you will click OK, the dialog box will open and here you go. So you will find lot of services there and you need to search for VGC here, right? So I'm just taking an example, like this is VGC. You just need to right click on VGC here and then you need to click on properties. Okay, and after that if the startup type is manual, you need to click on automatic, and after that you need to click on start. Here we go, and then you need to click on apply and you need to click on OK. So this is the first stuff which you need to do, but make sure you just have to search for VGC. So I just take an example and done this process with Windows time. So you need to search like VGC and then you need to do the perform this step. So after doing this step, you need to restart your PC to make sure your game is now running. And if you're still facing this problem, you need to check whether your PC is compatible with Windows 11 or not. So you can take an help from Windows 11 Microsoft community, else you can just run a health checkup. You can download Windows 11 health checkup app to make sure your PC is compatible with Windows 11. Again, if your PC is compatible with Windows 11, you need to check whether TPM 2.0 and secure boot is enabled on your PC. So for this, you need to restart your PC and you need to go to the boot section. A lot of computers have different functions and have to press different buttons to boot your computer, but most of the computers are using F2 key to boot the PC to go to the BIOS, and most of the computers using F10, some computers using ESC, some computers using F7. So if you already know which button you need to press after restarting to go to the BIOS, that's fine. If not, then you need to take help from Google. And once you're on the BIOS, you need to check whether whether secure boot is enabled. If secure boot is enabled, you need to again check the boot type, secure boot type is there, and you need to select UEFI instead of any operating system. If it's selected as any operating system under secure boot type, you need to change it as UEFI in BIOS to fix this problem. And if you have already done these steps and again you are facing this problem, so you need to do one thing, just type here Windows plus R again and type rstrui.exe, right? And then you need to click on OK. And once you will click on OK, it will show you the dialog box again and it will take a couple of seconds. Here we go. So system starting system restore, and then you will find this dialog box here, and you need to type you need to just select on choose different restore point, click next, and make sure choose the date when your Valorant game was working fine. So in my case, there is a restore point created on 9/2/2022. So you just need to click on that and make sure to choose the date when your game was running perfectly fine. Just click on that and then click next. Okay, click next and then click finish, and your system will ignore all the changes from that date which you selected there. So that's the last option which can help, and hopefully this video will help you. Kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, never miss any update. Thank you. Thanks for watching.